afternoon, guys. It's November 21st. Today is Monday. Monday? Is it Monday? No. Yes, Monday. See, when I even forgets the days now. So today is a Monday. I'm just in a vacation mood, So Friday's RTH low is important, okay, for both NQ and ES, which was 43 in ES. And NQ was, I think it was 569 or 545 or something, okay, or maybe I think or 607, okay. So and then break below, price will go into preferred or backup buyers area, and then depending on the real time, it will decide whether to get exhausted there, bounce, or break down. And then we have to see the real time internals, either Dow is tanking, all this thing is coming, then it will break down and hold. Otherwise it will bounce. Overall, price has to go above Friday's high to get more aggressive buyers. Till then, in general, some aggressive sellers are there, right? And dream number 666, 648, right? So overall, I'm saying that there will be some buyers near Friday's low, but overall sellers are there below Friday's high, right? So now let's go here, right? So this is Friday's low, right? And ES Friday's lows was here, right? So around this low, some buyers are there, right? And below Friday's high, sellers are there, right? So with that in the mind, right, the first thing we noticed was right here of the open, there is disconnect, right? That is what we discussed in Discord at that point in time, that if someone was to take a short, you can take a short, and then you can bail out right here. Now whoever is in Discord, now why this blue line and white lines are important, right? So, and I explain you what can happen from there, right? So if you short here based on the various disconnect, we discuss it, take a profit here, or you can do some runners. I think some of you guys took one contract profit here and then around here at 55. See, 55 was another level. I said, what, and then 635, which is this area in NQ, sorry, this area, morning low, this area. I said buyers are there, so it's a support. So I think some of you took a profit here, right? So, and then price went higher right around here, right, where I explain you what kind of sellers could be here, right? So when price went higher about this area, came back down, I said 39.69 could be a short setup. Target is 60.62 to begin with, right? NQ same time, you can short at 693, 695, target is 666 or 648, right? So we discuss about that trade too. Then price came down, again held 55, NQ broke down, right? And then when NQ pulled back to 635, this could be another sort of opportunity in NQ and ES together, okay? So, and then I didn't take either one of them, right? Because I was waiting for price to hit this 648, but damn thing did not even hold it, right? But I said, some sellers may step in from here, and most probable outcome is price will try to hit this and this, right? Whether it's gonna come down from here or here, but it will hit this. So it hit this levels, right? So now you bail out here in this area. Same thing, wherever you bail out NQ, you bail out ES basically, right? So I'm not going to discuss ES here. Then price went down, tried to get to this area, right, which is also a preferred buyer area. This is a preferred buyers area, this entire area, correct? And this was an aggressive selling area. This is a preferred sellers area where the selling came, right? NQ ES also, this is a super aggressive sellers area, selling came from there, right? And then preferred buyers area held it entire day. There was a news driven poke, or I would say spoofing, or stop run, whatever happened here, right? The moment price closed above here, right underneath it, this is a sign that buyers wants to take it again higher. This is a failed breakdown, so it usually goes higher like this, right here, right? And then it failed and chop around, right? So this is not the story. Our trading ends right here, right here with this short, right? So this is the one I took it, right? Because in Discord I said when price was here, right, and then it couldn't get to this, but instead went down. Here I typed in Discord at the time that hey, 622, 626, and then 648, 653 are sellers level, right? And so watch out and observe those levels. At the same time I said 55, which is this area, this, exactly this, so 1120, 1115, right? So let me show you something. So here is the level, right? Look at the timestamp, 1037, right? 622, 626 and 643 to observe in NQ. ES 5557, right? So 5557, 1037, which is right around here, right? So whenever it was here I said observe this, right? So this was a short setup right there, right? At the same time you can see it, NQ was here, I typed it, right, and then it came up here, right? So my short was 622. I was outside working in my yard, so I had an auto setup there, auto sell there at 622 with 10 point stop was at 632, right? And then I had a 40 point fixed target, right? 10 point stop, 40 point target, 124 risk reward, which got filled right here, and that's it. So up to this point, to 1030 I waited for price to come here or here. It did not, right? So I left and just put the order there. It got filled and automatically, target and entry got filled, right? So that was my trade. But we discuss all this trade in the morning. So, and then there is no point trading later in the day, because now you can see it here. After this downfall, price immediately come back up. See, at this time the day is good because ES doesn't want to go down today. That means NQ is most likely not gonna go down, right? So pretty much 595, this blue line, we know the importance of 595 and why price is rotating around it, and then why damn thing even closed at 595. We knew all these things, right? Possibility was there, so it happened, but so now just observe this area, what happens tomorrow or day after, and that be all for today.